Hello students, welcome to Knowledge. Today we shall continue with chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10 CBSE and CRT syllabus. We are in exercise number 3.4. The second question, we have asked to find the pair of linear equations and then find their solutions using elimination method. Now we are in the last part of this question. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each day. Now it is said that this library is charging a fixed charge for the first 3 days and then an additional charge for each day thereafter from then on. So they have asked us to find the fixed charge and the charge for each day. So we will let the fixed charge be x and let the additional charge for each extra day be y. It is said that the fixed charge is taken for the 3 days and then additional charge is taken for every extra day, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. After the 3 days, whatever is the number of days they are keeping the books, it will be charged extra. Now here it is said that Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, which means that this out of the 7 days, 3 days will go for the fixed charge. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Only for 4 days the additional charge will be taken. So here, since we have let the fixed charge as x, this is inclusive of this 3 days. So let us write the ignore this 3 and so x plus, and then the additional charge for each extra day will be y. The y will be the additional charge, so y into the extra day. Each extra day is 4 days, so y into 4 will be 4y is equal to 27 is the amount she paid. Okay, this is the fixed charge for 3 days here. So here are 4 days extra, so 4 days into the charge, additional charge will be 4y is equal to 27. This is your first equation. Now the same way, here Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. So same way, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So 3 days will go for fixed charge and this 2 days alone will be taken as the extra days. So here again 3 days will go there. So x plus the 2 days, 2 extra days into the charge for each extra day. So y, 2 into y is equal to 2y is equal to 21. This will be your second equation. Now let's use elimination method to solve these equations. Now here by elimination method we have x plus 4y is equal to 27 and the second equation x plus 2y as 20y is equal to 21. Now here we can see that both the x variable has the same coefficients 1 here. So let's eliminate this variable and we can also see that both have a plus sign. So we need to have 1 plus and 1 minus sign for us to eliminate the variable. So we need to subtract this equation so that we can change the sign. So we will be changing the sign for all the 3 terms in the second equation. So this becomes minus x, this becomes minus 2y and this becomes minus 21. Now x minus x is 0, so this is cancelled now. So 4y minus 2y is equal to 2y, and here 27 minus 21 will be 6. Now y is equal to 6 divided by 2. This goes 3 times, so y is equal to 3. Now we have to substitute this in equation number 1. So substitute y is equal to 3 in equation number 1. Our equation 1 is x plus 4y is equal to 27. So x plus 4, in place of y let's replace 3 is equal to 27. So x plus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 27. Now x is equal to 27 remains on the right hand side, plus 12 from the left hand side will move to the right hand side, becomes minus 12. Now x is equal to 27 minus 12 is 15. So this is your value for x. Now we have taken the fixed charge as x and the additional charge as y. So let's write it over here. The fixed charge is equal to, it is 15 rupees, and the additional charge is equal to rupees 3. Okay, so 15 plus 3 rupees for each extra day will be charged. So this is your final answer. Okay, so for an easy learning experience like this, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it to your friends so that they also benefit out of this. Until we meet in the next video, bye bye.